Hi, welcome to my video tutorial. Today I'm looking at Dragon NaturallySpeaking 12.5 and I'm looking at correcting errors made by Dragon. These are called misrecognitions. Also, you need to make sure you correct your own errors differently to actually doing it through the vocabulary, which I'll show you now. Wake up. The man ran down the train track. Go to sleep. As you can see, a misrecognition there, chain. Dragon made that error, not me, so I need to correct it. Wake up. Correct chain. Spell that. T-R-A-I-N. Choose one. Full stop. Go to sleep. And there's a misrecognition, corrected properly. Now it says train, not chain. So if I do exactly the same line, it should come up with train and not chain. Wake up. Delete last line. The man ran down the train track. Full stop. Go to sleep. So make sure you actually correct it that way when Dragon makes a misrecognition, and it will get better and better and improve in the future. Now if you make an error, for example, say you wanted to say woman and not man, we don't want to say correct man and change that to woman using that system I just showed you. This is how you do it. Wake up. Select man. Woman. Go to end. Go to sleep. And there you go. You've corrected it if you make a mistake. So just make sure you differentiate between the two. Really important. What happens if you actually use a name and Dragon can't differentiate between it? For example, Susie is spelt differently, different ways. So there's no way of Dragon knowing which word to put in. So we need to go to your vocabulary and edit that, and I'll show you how so we can differentiate between the names. Wake up. New line. Susie decided to go shopping yesterday. Full stop. Go to sleep. Say we actually wanted Susie with a Z and not actually Susie with an S. How can we get Dragon to understand which Susie we want? We could correct it now, but it's an easier way, so you don't have to keep correcting it in the future. Wake up. Open vocabulary editor. Susie. Go to sleep. Now what I'm going to do with Susie, there's two ways of spelling Susie. S-U-S-I-E, S-U-Z-I-E. There is another way, S-U-Z-Y. But let's concentrate on changing S-U-S-I-E. So spoken form, I could change that. Well, why don't I have Susie S? So every time I say Susie S, it will bring me that particular Susie. Should we try it out? Click the add button. So it's now added to vocabulary. So we no longer need that other Susie, the original one, because it has no spoken form. So just click delete. Click yes. And now we need to train. It's important you train Susie with an S. Click the train button. Wake up. Go. Susie S. Done. Close. New line. Susie decided to go shopping yesterday. New line. Susie S decided to go shopping yesterday. Full stop. Go to sleep. So as you can see, it's now differentiated between the two. So you can do that with any words or abbreviations, whatever you like. It's just an easier way to personalise your vocabulary and make life a lot easier for you. I'm now going to show you how to use keyword filter in your command browser. If there's a command that's not picking up properly, you can train it within there and it will improve it. Wake up. Open command browser. Go to sleep. First we need to find the context of that command where it's being used. For example, it might be just a general global command that works in all applications, or it might be specific to Excel. In this case I'm going to use word, and I'm looking for a command with an add in it, so I need to use the keyword filter to find that. Wake up, keyword filter, add, done, go to sleep. And now I've filtered out that command in my browser, so I've got all the commands in Word with add. So now I can go down, and the one I was having trouble with, there you go, was add bibliography. So now I can actually train that. So if I go up to the train option here, click it once, I can then click go, add bibliography. Once or twice is enough, and that should train the command and make it more accurate. Let me close that. Wake up, train, go, add bibliography, done, close, go to sleep. Let's see if that command works. Wake up, add bibliography, go to sleep. And it's working perfect. As I've got no sources in there at the moment, but it's actually picking up the command. It's exactly what I want it to do. So there's a few options to keep you up and running on Dragon. Just remember the important factor when you're correcting a misrecognition by Dragon. You must use the system I showed you. And if it's an error you made yourself, or you change your mind when you're dictating, then use the select command and just say the word you want to replace it with. Thanks for watching. Learning made easy.